Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about prototypal inheritance in JavaScript. So prototypal inheritance is the mechanism by which objects can inherit properties and methods from other objects. Like an example, we have one animal object with the property sound and one function called make sound, and we're gonna return this dot sound. So this is the animal object, and we're gonna create one cat object, and it will simply have the color property of white. So if we console log cat, so you can see the cat has only one property. Now if we want the cat to access the properties of the animal, then we have to use inheritance. So to inherit the properties we can use __ proto __. So we can use that to inherit the properties. So for this we have to write cat dot __ proto __, and then we can assign the animal object. So now inside the prototype of the cat object, you can see we have these two properties, and they are coming from the animal object. Now because the cat has these properties in the prototype, so the cat can use them. So we can call cat.sound, and you can see we have this output. Although the sound is not a property of the cat object, but it still can use this because of the prototypal inheritance. And also we can inherit the properties by using Object.create method. So suppose we have one parent object with the name as parent and another greet function, and it returns the string welcome. So here is the parent object with one property name and one function greet. Now if we wanted to create another child object which can have all of these properties, in that case we can use the Object.create method. So for this we have to write const child. So we're creating the child object, and we're gonna use Object.create, and inside the method we're gonna pass the parent object. So now the child is created with all the properties and methods of the parent object. So if we console log the child object, so inside the child object prototype we have the function greet and the property name, and they are coming from the parent object. Now because the child has all of these property and method in the prototype, so the child can access those properties. So we can write child.name, we have the output as parent, and also we can call the function. So we have to write child.greet, and you can see we have this output. And also we can inherit the properties by using the prototype keyword. So suppose we have one constructor function person which takes one name as parameter, and this has one property name. Now let's create one object p1 with the new person, and the name is Sam. Now if we console log, so you can see inside the object we have only one name property. Now we can add multiple properties and method in the prototype of the person object by using this prototype keyword. So for this we have to write person dot prototype, and then the function or the property that we wanted to add. So we can add the method get name, and this will just return the name of that person. Now inside the person object, inside the prototype, we have the get name method. Now because this is in the prototype of the object, so we can call that method. So we have to write p1.getName, and you can see we have the name of that person. So this is the way we can use prototype, and we can inherit properties and methods from one object into another. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.